Check the technique.
Seamless navigation, smooth operation, no latency issues, just clean information. My interface is flawless, I'm writing the new code. Got that boom bap logic for the heavy payload. I craft the perfect syntax, make the complex plain, making moves through the mainframe, bringing the cerebral rain. Got that golden era flow, maintaining the momentum. This ain't just a demo, it's a lyrical millennium. Yeah, a lyrical millennium. Yeah, check the blueprint, foundation solid, we building monuments, digital landscapes, my team is prominent, crafting the vision, no fear of the consequence.
We design the future, make the complex simpler, building worlds on the wire, taking your dreams higher. We design the future, make the complex simpler.
Yeah, that's how we run it. Yeah, check the logic flow.
Crafting the code with a precision aim, building the platform, they all whisper the name. It's the architecture, the blueprint's pristine, the smoothest operation that you've ever seen. The data streams clean through the fiber optic gleam, manifesting the vision from a digital dream. It's that next level interface built to endure. Solid foundation, no, the structure is pure. Solid foundation, yeah, the structure is pure.
That's the master plan right there, word.
Yeah, feel that groove right there. Signed, sealed, certified. This that next level.